All right, and welcome back to another episode of VP Outdoors, guys. So in today's video, we got a pretty cool video. So I am going to be taking out the stock halogen bulbs in my reverse taillights, and I will be replacing them. These by Las Vegas Auto. They went ahead and sent these over. Big shout out to them. Thank you so much. I'll go ahead and leave a link in the description down below for these. But yeah, let's go ahead and remove these and install the new ones and see how they are. Hopefully it doesn't affect my backup camera and my visibility, because I know sometimes it can do that because they're so bright. But yeah. So for this install, all you're gonna need is really a 10mm socket and a basic ratchet. You're gonna have 3 bolts, 1, 2, and 3. So I just went ahead and removed the 3 bolts. It's gonna be that one right there, and then you're gonna have 2 right here on the bottom. Now we're gonna just remove it. I heard the best way to do it is to just pull towards you, because there's 2 clips here and you don't wanna really mess those up. But yeah, I'll go ahead and do that. Perfect. I twisted it counterclockwise to remove it, guys. And here's the light. Let's go to remove that as well. I think it's the same way, or you just pull up. So we got the new light here. Let's go and open it up. Here's the old light, just a basic bulb. And here's the new light, bunch of LEDs. So let's go ahead and install this. Pretty much the same way. It just kind of slides right in just like that. And then turn it. Perfect. Now we're gonna test it. All right, guys, so now that that's working, we're just gonna pop it back into the place, screw back those in, and we'll be good to go. All right, and just like that, we are all done. All right, and this is at night. Super bright. All right, so now that we replaced the reverse lights, I went ahead and did the license plate lights. So here is the new bulb, and there is the old bulb. So I went ahead and did the right side already, or passenger side. I'm gonna go ahead and do the driver's side. So if you come under here on the truck, this is your license plate light right here. There's 2 ways you can do this. You can pop out the full bracket right there, the black part, or just untwist this gray piece and pop in the new one. So that's what I'm gonna do. So come in here and you just kind of twist it, push in. I went ahead and twisted it, and now it should come out. Perfect. So now that it's out, you just wanna take that bulb out and pop in the new one. All right, and just like that, it's back in. All right, guys, and I wanted to show you guys at night what it looked like. So, license plate lights are finally installed. Man, that looks great. That looks so much better. All right, and for some of you that are wondering, this is what it looks like when I'm backing out. This is what it looks like at night from the inside. Honestly, you can see so much better. You can see my grass over there, and then almost even my front door. But yeah, this is great. So I would say it definitely improved visibility. All right, guys, somehow I forgot to record an outro to this video, but thank you so much for all the support. I see you guys. We're at 300 subscribers already. That's mind blowing. Let's see if we can get to 500. And I hope you guys enjoyed today's quick little mod video. Super simple. I'll leave a link down in the description if you guys want to go pick up these high quality LED lights. Again, shout out to Lost Fit Auto for sending those over. Y'all are the GOAT. I was also going to say, it's warming up here in Texas, so y'all stay tuned. These next videos are going to be really awesome. The next video is going to be a cool mod. I know you guys are going to enjoy it, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, guys, I'll keep it simple right there. Y'all take care. Have a good rest of your weekend and whatever day of the week you're watching this. So yeah, subscribe. Take care, guys. Peace.